story.
15 minutes of the show is only about how you broke up with one girl.
2 BHK था पर वहाँ पे एक रूम बंद करके रखा था ओनर ने for some reason. So we used to pay.
You got a 2 BHK and he shut one room.
2 days later when I went to the house, I saw that my saman is all floating. It was floating.
This is karma बेटा. तूने बहुत गाली दिया ना.
नहीं वो तो उसके बाद दुआ
नहीं बाबा नहीं बाबा.
उससे पहले तो बॉम्बे मेरा ड्रीम सिटी था. फिर देखा कि ये तैर रहा है.
You're a Delhi boy. Girl says shift with me before she completes the sentence you've reached.
Yeah. I love Mumbai. Minus the food. Yeah. So. What did I say? He used to always tell me, call me and tell me कि बेटा टेंशन मत लेना. पेंशन का पैसा है तुझे खिला लूंगा. Then these guys who were staying in Mumbai for like 2-3 years like मुंबई ना पहले लेता है फिर देता है.
Wow. Home run with housing. I'm screaming it out for no reason. It's a podcast. We should talk normally. Only idiot will come in. But TV का जो experience है ना Abhishek sir, it teaches you to start with a big premise of अब पेश करते हैं the one and only 1, 2, 3 and
energy
and you look like an idiot because everybody's wondering it's just a casual conversation.
No, I think it always works. I mean,
you
जैसे आप ऐसे बोलते हो तो like suddenly we're like हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं सुनते हैं.
Good point.
Yeah.
So I should be production. Yeah. Everybody should start working. Just start screaming. Let me introduce you if you don't mind.
Yeah, of course.
The one and only Abhishek Banerjee is with us, who's come all the way from. Let's trace the exact
Andheri
journey. नहीं वो नहीं.
अच्छा.
पहला खड़गपुर.
हाँ खड़गपुर.
And not IIT. Normally you'll say IIT immediately. Yeah.
I have nothing to do with IIT. Just my best friend is from IIT.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So Kharagpur was birth.
Kharagpur was birth. Yeah.
जन्म के बाद आपने.
जन्म के बाद.
I think Calcutta next.
Yes, Kolkata. My dad was posted there, and then from there we went to Delhi.
Oh.
And then from Delhi, my dad got posted to Chennai.
So no need for summer holidays, ना? हर 2-2 साल के बाद घूमने के लिए मौका तो मिलेगा.
बिल्कुल. And in fact, it was also like हर 4 साल के बाद 5 साल के बाद you are also changing the space. So every time you're like excited about a new place.
Yeah.
Which is actually a problem because मैं किसी भी शहर में 10 साल रह लेता हूँ तो it's like I get bored of it.
Oh, so you need that variety.
Totally.
Variety is the spice of life.
Totally.
That's what the judge is going to tell my wife. Jim Morrison, famous poet, rock star. So just going back a little bit because we also want to talk about housing from time to time. Any memory of that Kharagpur house? What is the house like?
Very.
The vacation when you went back.
So my grandfather built the house, like my papa ka grandfather.
मतलब हाथ से?
नहीं maybe I don't know, like
Americans will always tell you the story that my grandfather built the house. Grandfather built the house.
That might be true because my grandfather was actually like a very skilled guy. He could do a lot of things like
DIY.
He could do a lot of things. He also once pointed a gun to a monkey for some reason.
What kind of show are we doing?
But he did. I mean, that's a legend in my family.
We have to stop. They want to know.
That monkey used to come and steal mangoes from my garden. So like my grandfather actually like
the same monkey or there were many monkeys?
Same monkey and he warned the monkey. And apparently that
I want the dialogue here. I have to hear the dialogue. How do you warn the monkey with a gun?
Abar Ashbi Abar. Will you come back again?
But he didn't shoot the monkey.
No, he didn't.
Thank God.
He was just warning the monkey. It didn't have.
Did it have any effect?
Yeah, the monkey never came back.
Wow, man.
And apparently, this is the story which was told to me. So I don't know, guys, if it's true or not. Apparently, when my grandfather pointed the gun, the monkey did this.
I believe it. My crew has gone berserk. They're falling down.
It's I don't know, but that's how I remember my childhood. It's a very nice, lovely house. It had a well. कुआं वो अभी भी है. और वहाँ से कुएं से पानी निकाल कर ठंडा पानी से every family used to
There's something about a well का पानी which is like I would say अजीब but it's just a very distinct taste, right?
Yeah. और वो बारिश में it used to come up and summers used to go down. It used to always be cold water though. Like no matter what the weather is.
Superb, bro. Superb.
Amazing.
Can I ask one question? In Bengali is it well or bell?
Hey, क्या बोलते हैं यार?
Bell. It should be it's my bell.
कुओं.
Cool.
It's almost French.
Cool. Nice touch. So you do have memories of that place,
yes,
the grandfather,
yes,
the monkey, the arm, the well, and the outdoorness, which we Mumbaikars and some of the smaller cities don't get that. Yeah. We don't even have an idea what it's like.
Smaller cities get, only Mumbaikars don't have any idea.
That's true. You're right. Maybe Bangalore's also going that way now of
Yeah,
late.
yeah.
But Delhi,
probably.
my cousins grew up. They had a small garden.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, every other city has that sense of openness, outdoor,
Yes.
Hindustan, if you like.
Yeah. Even if you're living in like flats and all of that, there's always going to be a park.
Yeah, to look down.
Park. Delhi में park होता है.
हाँ, park.
तो park जाएंगे. So yeah, there is to be always this nice outdoor areas.
No wonder you became such a successful actor as well. So I think you became one of those unified Indians, the global Indian who's traveled everywhere and picked up everything. So culturally, you're really mixed up nicely.
Yes.
No?
Totally.
The
Like
park, for example, immediately. You remember,
Park.
I made you play the role of a guy from, let's say, Panchil Park.
yeah.
2 minutes.
Yeah. North I can cover easily. Even South I can cover because of Chennai. Kalpakkam. Kalpakkam used to be like a beach town. Like, right? So my school was right on the beach. We could see the sea and the waves and all, like highly creative. I think somehow I feel that I'm creative because of waves.
Kalpakkam.
Yeah, just like looking into the
ये एक
ocean.
important point है. Those who want to get creative, if you want to be the next Abhishek Banerjee, you have to live next to the sea and look at waves.
Yeah.
And that should be
Very
good
important.
enough.
Like even if you're not, if you can be distracted. Like what better way to be distracted from the class? Like समुंदर देख रहे हैं. Like वो जो भी पढ़ा रहा है. Nice.
Nature.
It
creates an effect.
Yeah.
I mean, your grandfather had the monkey. So that's also nature. You had the waves. Generations, the outcome is a little different. So again, so many different houses you had in Kharagpur, you had in Delhi. What was Delhi like?
Delhi was like a government quarter जो कि Olympics के time पे बनाया था. साकेत पुष्प विहार.
Oh, Pushpa Vihar.
Yeah.
So the Kalanis.
हाँ. वो colony. Correct. Kalani.
Defense Kalani.
मारेंगे दिल्ली वाले.
But that your memory must be clear because by then you're 5, 6, 7.
No, I was old. Yeah, 5, 6 पे मैं सेब चुराता था दिल्ली में. But
अभी दिल्ली का accent में करके दिखाओ ना.
नहीं कुछ नहीं, सेब चुराते थे भैया, ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
Oh यार, and then what happened?
कुछ नहीं हुआ, ऐसे चल गए. पार्क में खेलते थे.
पार्क.
और वहाँ पे दिल्ली.
So these were like now flats, right?
Yeah. So there are like these
uniform flats.
Type 2, Type 3, Type 4. तो पापा की जब promotion होती थी.
Nice.
Yeah. So with each promotion, then you get a better house.
Wow.
All of that is to happen.
Spouse को change नहीं कर सकते.
No.
House, not spouse. That'd be great. This is your new mother. I did very well this year.
But I really got promoted.
Abhishek, I'm giving you a movie idea. Just think about it. Yeah. They asked him, house या spouse? इस साल तो spouse देता हूँ मैं. Boom. New film. Yeah.
Okay. And bonus में?
You want one more? You really want one more?
I don't know. Good for my dad though.
So you have, coming back to the memory was very clear. And then what? There was like a colony of guys you played with, kids.
Yeah. मतलब बिट्टू नीचे आजा. Like this is how we used to be there, and we used to.
Always a Bittu in Delhi, no? Bittu and Bunty, you can't escape.
हाँ, Vicky,
Tipu was very popular.
वो dog का भी नाम होता था.
In the same family, Tipu and Tipu.
There are 2 Tipus.
So which Tipu? Tipu, खाना ready है. Idiot तू नहीं. Tipu.
So yeah. And हाँ मतलब those are the best days I think. Cricket, like used to play cricket in the ground. बहुत लड़ाई होती थी. बहुत भर के लड़ाई होती थी.
Delhi यार.
बहुत लड़ाई होती थी. Wicket उठा.
You may have played with Virat as a young boy.
No, I think it's like, I don't know. No, we never got to play with Virat because he was in some Uttam Nagar.
West Delhi.
West Delhi.
Danger area. And maybe Gautam Gambhir.
हम लोग South Delhi के middle class थे.
You're rich.
नहीं, South Delhi के middle class.
Okay.
वहाँ पे मतलब बोलते थे हम लोगों को. जब बाद में कॉलेज में थे लड़कियों को बोलते थे
South Delhi but middle class.
No, but नहीं बोलते थे ना.
फिर I thought South Delhi is up.
Where do you stay? South Delhi, Saket. कोई बोलता नहीं था पुष्प विहार से.
Oh, nicely.
So like that.
Edited.
Yeah. And then what?
Then you moved from Delhi to?
Delhi to Chennai.
This is now age is about?
Age is about, I was in 4th standard, so I don't know how old.
Oh, still a young kid, yeah.
Yeah. 4th standard में था मैं. And that was beautiful. What a nice, good.
What was the house like?
Flat. Yeah, it was like again a 2 BHK, but nice spacious 2 BHK with a huge garden. And it had like, those Sitafal ka ped.
The garden is attached to the property for everyone?
No. Only for the ground floor guys.
Must have gone mad, yeah?
Yeah. So मतलब पापा ने पता नहीं कहाँ से मिट्टी भी लाए थे. Like
what do you say?
Yeah, he got like proper mitti and like because it's all sand, right?
Suddenly farmer, Mali, all that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See, my dad actually like made some like वो पता नहीं क्या उगाते थे like I don't know what पुदीना, तुलसी ये वो और पीछे सीताफल का पेड़ and bananas and all that like crazy time. Fresh seafood. you know, direct from the fish, like वो तो एकदम मतलब fisherman used to
दरिया
just
तो
come.
वहीं पे है, हाँ.
मीन
Do you speak Tamil?
Yeah, கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும்.
Oh, not bad.
5 வருஷம் தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருந்தேன்.
எங்கவா? I may not know more. May have to wait here. Romba Tamil.
நன்றி.
Not bad. So this is the best house so far in terms of quality.
Yes. Quality and like also like I think space and also as I said nature. So it was all.
You got a beach, yaar.
Yeah.
I mean that's unbelievable.
Yeah, that's amazing. Amazing.
And then you go to
then we came back to Delhi. Then I got promoted again.
Huh.
So then we came back to
Bada
Delhi.
house?
अब बड़ा house पुष्प विहार में. Same पुष्प विहार but a better locality, better community and you know better.
So now where do you say when the girls ask you where do you stay? What is your answer?
South Delhi.
बस.
South
Edit वहीं पे.
South Delhi पे बस.
South Delhi edit.
हाँ, ज़्यादा कोई पूछेगा कहाँ तो साकेत.
Let's get back on track. So now you're in Delhi. This is part 2 in Delhi. It's a bigger house.
Yeah.
Still Pushpa Vihar, but very much. How is it bigger? Like describe it.
Not Pushpa Vihar. Pushpa Vihar.
Pushpa.
Then what? Then nothing. And then I started going to school and Kendriya Vidyalaya Andrewsganj, then college. College happened. So
Where?
in the Kirodimal College, Mr. Bachchan's college.
Bachchan's college.
Yes.
Wow.
That's why I joined it.
Really?
That was the reason. Yeah.
Say swear.
I swear. I mean, I can swear it on my acting. So I mean,
No, but really?
really. I mean, I was in science. और मुझे साइंस नहीं समझ में आया बेसिकली 10th तक आई वाज वेरी गुड इन साइंस बिकॉज़ यू कुड लाइक मग अप एंड यू नो राइट आंसर्स 11th 12th में पता नहीं क्या आ गया फिजिक्स
लैटिन बहुत है उसमें ना
इट्स क्रेजी लाइक
यू कांट रिमेंबर द वर्ड्स सम बायोलॉजी में बहुत आई थिंक इट वाज इम्पॉसिबल
या सो लाइक एंड दैट टू कंप्यूटर साइंस माय डैड समहाउ थॉट दैट आई एम अ जीनियस So he bought a computer also, big deal. That those days, like, you know, to buy a computer in a middle class household, it's a big deal. So
and no one could operate it.
yeah. I mean,
but computer said, "मेरा बेटा genius, आजा इधर plug का है."
और बेटा Orkut कर रहा है. Anyway, so
you're an Orkut generation. You're almost my age.
Yeah.
क्या बात है?
Orkut generation.
Nobody knows what we're talking about now.
So yeah, I mean, I joined it because of Mr. Bachchan, and I had no clue that there's like a audition round in their theatre society where if you crack the audition then you get the admission and in Delhi University, especially North Campus, you really need to like score really high to get in and I didn't get that marks. It was at 64%. I was like, you know, my PCM was 64%, which is very bad. My dad thought I'll commit suicide but I was very happy. Like, I didn't want to like, you know, do science and all that. But finally, like I got through the audition. My dad couldn't believe it. He's like,
how did you get to the audition? याद है?
हाँ, मैंने actually Johnny Lever's का एक
mimicry
standing. He did a stand-up thing where it was about like it started. I don't remember, but I just remember that it was about a communal riot. Okay, and it was comedy.
Always
to
a funny
serious.
story.
Yeah, but then it became very serious. Eventually,
अच्छा,
yeah.
तो comedy से pathos.
Comedy से pathos आया था, and that piece I remembered, and I did that, and everybody was doing like Bhishma Sahani and theatre and everything, and I was doing Johnny Lever ka.
But you're doing it in his like knuckle, like
no,
his
not
way of
knuckle,
talking
not
or
knuckle,
all that.
No, not knuckle. I used to do it in my own way, and somehow they thought that okay, he's good. 2 days, the rounds were like for 2 days, and then there were like some reading round, interpretation round, this, that, and finally I got through. Somehow I got through that college, and that changed everything. That changed everything about my life, and I think wherever I am today is because of Players Kirodimal College.
And then you became like a actor in college. That was
yeah.
And then in your head you must have thought कि बस
बन गया
यहीं पे
star.
सड़क पे आ
हो
गया
स्टार बन गया बच्चन सर के कॉलेज में आ गया.
That's true.
I mean, what else do you need? Like,
you got the biggest name in the country, yaar.
Right, like,
what's the worst that can happen?
Yeah, exactly. Like, you know, I mean, like performing the same
Have you ever
stage.
met him subsequently?
Yes. So I just recently did a film with him. Like last year, I did a film with him, and it was.
But did you have this conversation?
Yes, of course.
So कैसा लगा?
He's.
But was he happy? Old boy and all that must be.
Yes, of course. The first day, in fact, the first interaction was a little awkward because I straight away went for his feet. And he's like, hey, क्या कर रहे हो? And I'm like, oh, sorry, I'm really sorry. I didn't know that. I'm not supposed to do that.
Steal his chappals.
I know. He apparently gets very angry if you try to touch his feet and all. He doesn't like it. Yeah. And it's amazing because he wants his co-actors to feel like co-actors and not like give him that seniority and all.
I don't mind, but you didn't. I'm also senior.
उतने senior लगते नहीं हो ना अभी यार. You still like Jawan. Like.
Saying all the right things, यार. So you went for his feet.
Hey, क्या कर रहे हो? Sorry, sir. And then the director told him that, sir, he's from the same college as you. And that's when there was a nice smile and you're from Kirodimal College. players. Wow, lovely, lovely, lovely. And that was like,
Bonding हो
the
गया.
icebreaker हो गया. उसके बाद then we spoke about college and he asked about how the college is doing now.
So you reached Kirori Mal, you're in Delhi now, you're a young man.
Yeah.
But your journey is actually starting now.
Yeah, starting now, 3 years of like, I think hardcore theatre. I was an English honor student. I used to never attend classes. Only first year I attended classes and then after that I never attended classes. I'm like, यार इसमें कुछ नहीं रखा है. जो रखा है वो theatre में रखा है, stage में रखा है.
But what about attendance?
Yeah, I mean, so because we are EC admission, extracurricular admissions, we used to automatically get 33% attendance.
Wow.
Automatically.
Wow.
So we just needed to like attend like few extra, like so 10% of the classes and then we are through. So that's how we actually cleared the college. Actually, I didn't clear college.
What is your
Third year
degree
exam
in?
nahi
Actually, you
diya
didn't clear.
मैंने. नहीं दिया मैंने. नहीं दिया.
You started acting.
Yeah, I was so happy and I said, okay, that time I don't know why I thought if I give the exams, and middle class mentality is always about job, right? So my dad used to be like, whatever you do, acting, shacting, जो भी है, job करना है.
हाँ.
And I'm like,
Acting weekend पे कर ले.
हाँ, मतलब English honor से मुझे job क्या मिलेगा? Like, B.Ed करना पड़ेगा, teacher क्या बनूंगा? मतलब I don't know what.
It's a great profession.
No, I didn't know क्या हाँ मतलब हाँ, but I didn't want to be a teacher.
Rate मालूम है आजकल tuition के लिए 1,000 rupees an hour they are charging.
हाँ, really?
हाँ.
Really?
Yeah, we are charging less for the podcast.
Oh, okay.
1,000 rupees an hour.
Oh, wow. Okay. I didn't know that. But that time it was very bad, no?
Yeah.
So anyway, I thought that, okay, no. I'm not going to like give exams because if I give exams, then I will have a degree. And then my dad will force me to, do a job.
Do a hard-working job.
Yeah. So I actually wrote, I boycott exams on the paper.
Oh, shoot.
And I left
तो
the exam hall.
निकाला?
नहीं, उनको पता नहीं चला. I just like, वो बाद में मैंने छुपा के ऐसे रख के
You took a stand and no one knew.
Yeah, no one knew.
You're a rebel.
I'm sure while checking the teacher was like, ये कौन है? ये कौन इंसान है?
They finally found a rebel with a cause, but nobody knows.
So yeah, that's how my third year was.
But you started doing the Hindi plays and all that. So you're getting, but no money, yaar. Not much money.
No, college theatre,
college
money,
theatre.
nothing.
But लोग
only
थे.
fame.
Auditorium पे दर्शकों, you got people.
Only fame. Yeah, there was so much fame. Everybody used to know you, like from different universities and different colleges. हम बॉम्बे आके जीतते थे. हाँ, बॉम्बे आके बहुत हराया है महाराष्ट्र के colleges.
हराया? Arrogance यार, देखा? Arrogance क्या है हिंदी में?
घमंड.
घमंड.
Arrogance घमंड बोलते हैं क्या? नहीं ना क्या?
I don't know. Just say it with arrogance ना.
घमंड. घमंड है.
So you are saying you beat all
मूड आए में सारे colleges को हराने का.
ये दिल्ली मुंबई का शो बन गया. From housing we've gone to Delhi.
Sorry, मैं दिल्ली चला गया ना, वो हो गया. I'll come back to Bombay. I'll become humble then.
So you want best actor and all that?
हाँ.
Mallar Fallar, all these normal IIT, Mood, Indigo, all these.
सब मिला and I was very happy.
सब मिला. I'm going to do some research यार.
No, actually you know what? I actually got the best actor award in one very big festival, which was like Mahindra sponsored, and that's the day I thought कि yes, I made it.
So you made a mistake. It's Mahindra and Mahindra.
हाँ वो अच्छा.
एक महिंद्रा से कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा.
वही.
Have to have both the Mahindras together to have the fest.
हाँ क्या? Mahindra and Mahindra.
Mahindra. एक Mahindra तो just a guy called Mahindra. That's not it. This is Mahindra and Mahindra. Very famous.
So yeah, I mean that. So
happened. You won best actor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I kept doing some amateur theatre.
So what were you doing
Delhi.
for money यार? ये पैसा बहुत कम है इसमें.
हाँ, college के बाद then I started teaching.
Acting.
Theatre.
Theatre.
Yeah. In a girls' college. It was my girlfriend's college, Gargi, Delhi University.
Who's now his wife?
No.
Not his wife, Tina.
Someone's wife, yeah. Tina is
someone's wife. Yeah, throw it away, yeah.
But she is someone's wife. She just got married like last year. I know.
Really?
That.
Were you called?
Of course I called.
You attended?
Congratulated her. No, I didn't attend.
You didn't attend?
No.
She called you, you didn't go?
No, she didn't invite me. I don't know why. She should have.
I know why. I know exactly why. So, sorry. You were saying.
So, yeah. Brigadier की बेटी है sir.
Oh my God. I'm glad you didn't go.
So then, I picked up odd jobs. I used to do some voiceovers in NDTV. Gustaki Maaf.
Oh, nice. You did that's a fabulous show.
I did Bachchan sir's voice. And then of course, Sachin, Haila, that all used to do. So
you don't like us Maharashtrians, huh?
No, I love.
Come here and just make fun.
I love Maharashtra.
You have to leave this area, middle of Mumbai.
I love Mumbai, minus the food. Yeah. So
what
did I say? I'm sorry.
दिल्ली का पंगा चालू हो गया.
आप लेकर आओ ना मुझे दिल्ली से.
नवी मुंबई जाएगा अभी.
आप दिल्ली से लेकर आओ. So yeah, then Then
But the interesting point is still, this is all good, but it's not serious money yet, although you're working with NDTV and all that.
No serious
So
money.
when did the break come in as a character actor?
Oh, that came very late.
Okay.
Then I came to Bombay.
Yeah.
I waited for my girlfriend to pass out from college.
This is Gargi.
Yeah, same Gargi.
She's getting more footage than Tina.
Yeah, she will get. Tina will get footage.
नहीं वो गाड़ी खत्म हो जाएगा प्रोग्राम.
Housing.
प्रोग्राम
अरे my wife is
तू भी खत्म हो जाएगा.
Tina is an architect. Tina housing. Tina.
Say her name 5 times. Housing. Tina.
Architect. Yeah. So then like I came with her, and then we found a house in Malad. Pudul Station, Malad.
Yeah, don't worry. You don't have to say 3 times. Everyone living in Malad is already depressed. You don't have to keep mentioning it.
Malad, Chincholi Bandar ke paas.
देखा, this guy hates our part of the world, yaar. I've never seen felt such enmity.
I'm just like reminiscing like my memories. Yeah. So there we used to live. 2 BHK था, पर वहाँ पे एक रूम बंद करके रखा था ओनर ने for some reason. So we used to pay.
You got a 2 BHK and he shut 1 room.
He said कि बेटा एक रूम बंद रहेगा, उसमें हमारा सामान है, रेंट कम दे दो. I'm like great.
But he's advertised as 2 bedroom.
Yeah.
You come there, it's locked. Do you remember how much you paid?
12,000 rupees. The rent was. I must have paid 50,000 rupees for security deposit.
Oh God.
जो बहुत महंगा पड़ता है when you're like coming to Bombay.
And then you get 1 bedroom from 2.
Yeah.
तो सामान पड़ गया उधर. Sorry. Yeah.
But it was a nice flat actually. I used to love.
It's called romantic times, beta.
It's so nice.
When you're struggling and you know you got your own home, it means everything, right? For a little while.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean that Mada thing was quite an experience because I went there, I kept my stuff, and I had to stay with my friends. And then 2 days later it rained. Now I had no clue about Mumbai rains. And then 2 days later when I went to the house, I saw that my saman is all floating. It was floating.
This is karma, beta. तूने बहुत गाली दिया ना.
नहीं वो तो उसके बाद हुआ.
नहीं बाबा.
उससे पहले तो बॉम्बे मेरा ड्रीम सिटी था. फिर देखा कि ये तैर रहा है. मेरा सामान.
That's my suitcase. Now reaching Chinchpok police station.
I had that army bedding also. My dad gave me like proper bedding पूरा दिया था. वो भी पूरा तैर रहा था. So I felt like okay, this is gone, completely gone. Then these guys who were staying in Mumbai for like 2-3 years, they're like, मुंबई ना पहले लेता है फिर देता है.
Wow.
Like ये सही है. And then again थोड़ा लिया ATM कार्ड छोड़ दिया 20,000 ले लिया.
वो permanent situation है.
So yeah, I lost a lot of money.
People don't understand what a difficult thing is for outsider to come to Mumbai to make their life, because real estate, even rent or buy or whatever, is almost impossible. Yeah. And like you said, you had made money from a serial and the money is gone.
Gone.
Right?
Within a week it was gone. So I was like, again, like what to do now? I am telling my dad, please send 5,000. No, please. Like then he used to send me. He's very sweet.
But he had hopes that you'd become an actor by then?
No hope.
तो क्या सोचा उसने?
No. I'm telling you, my dad thought that ये गया ये लड़का गया. ये गया. Like I used to always say कि don't worry. I think he used to think that I'm going to commit suicide, because he used to always call me and tell me कि बेटा टेंशन मत लेना, पेंशन का पैसा है, तुझे खिला लूंगा, तू टेंशन मत लेना. ऐसे वाले ओके पापा व्हाटएवर, अभी 5,000 रुपए दो अभी यार, मुझे वो पैसे चाहिए. एंड देन माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड IITN Vaibhav Tandon, he had a job, so I used to take money from him also. Like
gift money or borrow money?
Gift. उस टाइम में बोलता था तू कमा रहा है, दोस्ती है तो फिर तू दे. दिल्ली के देखो दोस्ती कमा ले. Price of
दोस्ती. हाँ.
ये दिल्ली में दोस्ती.
Again ये चालू क्यों करता है? ये बोल रहा हूँ. दिल्ली मुंबई में नहीं होता है?
नहीं होता होगा.
मुंबई में लोन ही होता है.
होता है क्या? अच्छा होता है.
मेरे को क्या मालूम. मेरे दोस्त तो मुंबई में ना है, दिल्ली में ना है.
So anyway, so then from Malad I went to Andheri, Azad Nagar.
Step by step process.
Azad Nagar. वहाँ पे ब्रेकअप हो गया.
Gargi. I don't want to give names.
No names.
And then?
Breakup हो गया.
Breakup. I wish you had more time to go into the breakup, but...
हाँ, मेरा दिल टूट गया, then I wanted to go back.
Tina's going to watch all this. Huh?
Yeah. No, of course she knows everything. Like, ऐसा नहीं है. It's a great story.
15 minutes of the show is only about how you broke up with one girl. उसके बाद your Guru Dutt moment.
I'm just realizing.
Your Guru Dutt moment.
Yeah, more time, right? Like we can talk about more stuff also. Yeah. Like ऐसा तू बार-बार घड़ी मत देख यार. We have to talk about Tina also.
He's worried about that.
Wait.
Yeah.
So now, so then I shifted with my friend who was with his girlfriend. और मैं उसका थर्ड व्हीली था उस घर में.
थर्ड व्हीली?
हाँ, मतलब
सर ये गलत शब्द है.
नहीं मतलब
थर्ड व्हील तो ठीक है, थर्ड व्हीली तो मत बोल.
अच्छा व्हील. तो बस हम लोग सब तीनों साथ में रहते थे. देन आई मेट Tina Norona.
Yeah.
And it was like Bombay crowd, full like, you know, very cool people talking in English. अपन तो दिल्ली से थे, अंग्रेजी उतनी अच्छी आती
You're a
नहीं थी.
Bengali raised in Delhi and Chennai.
हाँ.
You're already screwed.
हाँ, मतलब एकदम, and there's like proper like, you know, cool people listening to like, you know, music which I've
Rock
never
music
heard. And like,
yeah.
rock सुना है, ऐसा नहीं है सर, rock सुना था मैंने.
Sorry
पर
sir.
और भी ऐसा है,
Sorry
rock
sir.
वॉक सुना था मैंने यार, मैं
Rock
बहुत
से
बड़ा
बनाता है
fan
घर.
हूँ. So then yeah, I fell in love with her and first sight, एकदम love at first sight type हो गया.
Very good. The way you've told the story now, you have come back.
Yeah.
On the
And not
track.
actually that's, and she had a one room set up in Andheri.
हाँ.
And मैं रहता था अपने दोस्त के साथ, उसकी और उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ.
Correct. Third wheel.
Yeah, third wheel.
हाँ.
So then Tina one day said that why don't you shift with me? And I happily did it because, you know, obviously like, you know, that's like the best thing to happen. Like,
You're a Delhi boy. A girl says shift with me before she completes the sentence. You've reached the door.
yeah. And especially Mumbai में कोई घर दे तो और relationship
घर
दे और
भी-
क्या चाहिए?
Yeah.
और क्या चाहिए?
That's true actually.
Yeah. That day I decided.
Possible.
That day I decided I'm going to marry this girl. इसने मुझे घर दिया,
हाँ.
और उसने मुझे प्यार दिया,
हाँ.
और क्या चाहिए?
And she was ready to marry you also. It took many lot of time.
No, not really. She was not ready to marry me. I took her to Mount Mary's church because she's a Catholic.
हाँ.
There I told her I love you.
You felt कि God will help.
I thought
You're a real filmmaker.
This will definitely work.
Vatavaran, ambience,
I thought
all
this-
atmosphere. You have to create the right atmosphere. Fair. I like the thinking.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I thought this will definitely work. Yeah, candle wandle जला के एकदम Jesus के सामने.
and it's difficult to be mean, no, and say no and all
Right,
that because
right,
you know there's a
exactly.
goodness to it and all.
Yeah.
Very good thinking.
Yeah. So I and
You have taken a broker there, यार. वो दो 2 bedroom वाला, जो 2 bedroom से 1 bedroom बनाया. That guy is too good. I love that guy. When you started house hunting, what are the unique challenges?
I mean, they used to always say that bachelors not allowed, but I somehow never. I was never a bachelor. I was always with.
Yeah, forget bachelor. कभी-कभी 3-4 लोग.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे साथ हमेशा कोई ना कोई होता था तो मैं चिपक जाता था.
हाँ.
But it's a very bad situation because they always doubt bachelors and especially if you
And
say
why?
कि your industry actor
हाँ.
तो बढ़ गया और मैं तो casting director बन गया था तब तक.
Which is a double
Which
meaning.
is like, you know,
Yeah,
हाँ, big problem.
By the way, have you used the casting
What?
apparatus?
हाँ?
वो क्या कहता है?
क्या?
वो जो वो लेट जाते हैं लोग।
Audition वो
हाँ,
कैमरा
नहीं वो apparatus क्या बोलते हैं
कैमरा
उसको?
क्यूज एक्सेल शीट लाइक
नहीं वो लंबी वो
क्या?
जो
सोफा की
बैठ
बात
जाते
कर रहे हो
हैं,
क्या?
हाँ,
सोफा
वो,
सोफा
हाँ।
नहीं कोई नहीं हमारे ऑफिस में इसलिए सोफा है ही नहीं.
योर शॉर्ट
हाँ हमारे ऑफिस में सोफा है ही नहीं.
तो स्टैंड एंड ऑडिशन
But so then yeah, that was a challenge I think. But I feel that every time I have been lucky with Mumbai homes, and I think every time I went out to look for a good house, I always found it. And thankfully Tina and me were like, and Tina is an architect, she's an interior designer, so that really helped because she always had an eye. So yeah, then we shifted to Veera Desai for पहली बार एक अच्छा बढ़िया
ये रेंट है या
रेंट
हाँ,
2 BHK 2 BHK बढ़िया सा एक घर लिया and that home we got married also.
और अभी
Now then we shifted to Rustam ji Elita.
हाँ रुस्तम जी
Yeah, Elita like that's a very important thing.
एलिटा
हाँ ये जो बॉम्बे में जो
all these words you don't understand that means you've reached somewhere in life no?
exactly
I love this.
elegant
Yeah,
like, you know,
yeah.
elegant
Elegante and whatever.
There's also something called New York apartment ऐसा कुछ है ना.
New York is a restaurant also in Mumbai and an apartment. There is a Manhattan. Palm Beach Road पे Manhattan भी है. Very famous.
कहाँ रहते हो? Manhattan.
तो GPS लगा Manhattan अगर लगा दिया तो you'll end up there and you spend all this money visa सब कुछ. Be careful. Okay sir. What's your dream house? You said you've gone step by step आगे जाके you're now in this Elita sorry. So is there something more you want like bangla?
In Bombay?
हाँ.
Yeah, in Bombay, of course, I would want a penthouse. That's my dream.
Terrace.
Yeah, I want a big deck. Yeah, and I want a sea view because I have not yet stayed in a sea view apartment because somehow Tina doesn't like sea view apartments. She's like always like rust आ जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, electronics खराब हो जाएगा.
But that's correct.
That's true, I know, but I'm like होने दो यार, कोई बात नहीं, like you know रह लेंगे, खरीद लेंगे बाद में यार, जो भी है. So that's my dream house, and one we are building in Goa. So like,
wow, बहुत पैसे बनाए कैरेक्टर एक्टर,
अरे
कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, जिनके पास सोफा पोफा कास्टिंग काउच कुछ नहीं है. You stand and give the audition. बस.
बच्चा है.
Even gents can go for audition apparently. Would you rather have a bigger kitchen या bigger closet?
Bigger kitchen. Yeah, any day.
Why?
I love kitchen. I love cooking.
You're not a clothes guy.
No.
Closet wasn't that interesting.
Clothes. So I anyway like I'm a very minimal guy. So I think I always.
Good. My kind of guy.
Yeah.
would you rather live in a huge house with every amenity possible but no internet, or a house with the complete in the fastest internet possible but only 1 BHK, no balcony, no garden?
No, huge.
तो इंटरनेट के इशू
नहीं चाहिए मुझे इंटरनेट, कोई
really but you're that's your world
no
यार.
no it's okay, I'll stay without internet. In fact the house I'm staying right now वहाँ पे नेटवर्क अच्छे से आता नहीं है, so I have to always switch on the Wi-Fi to get connection. So sometimes I actually switch off the Wi-Fi also.
It doesn't
I'm very
bother
happy.
you?
No, it doesn't bother me at all.
जब जरूरत पड़ी
Though I'm addicted to like Insta and everything,
Yeah.
but I can live without it. I have no problems. When I go to the hills,
हाँ.
I really don't have any network and I'm very happy there. So yeah.
But why you go to the hills? Tina gets angry. Why is he go to the...
No, because I think Tina and me both are adventure freak.
Oh, okay.
So we just
You
love.
like to just get away from the city and
Yeah. I mean, it's like a yearly ritual for us. Every year we go to some trek somewhere in the wild. She's in fact like more adventurous than me. Like
wildlife.
Yeah. No, not wildlife, but
Because wildlife you can get in Malad also.
मलाड में क्या वाइल्ड लाइफ है?
You haven't seen the people?
देखो अभी मुंबई के बारे में कौन बात कर रहा है?
यार what to do यार, can't beat them, join them. Okay. What would you rather have a historic home with lots of character but tons of maintenance issues? Lots of character but maintenance issues, or a brand new house, low maintenance with no unique features but brand new and no hassle at all?
Yeah, brand new.
So heritage या brand new?
Brand new. Heritage, I like to see and take photographs. I don't want to stay in a heritage property.
Correct. Because every day you'll be stuck fixing the pipes.
I don't want to do all of that. I'm not my grandfather.
What a guy, yaar.
No, I'm just saying.
बंदर को सिखाया.
I don't have his skills now. What to do? I'm a city-bred boy.
Or his monkey.
What to do now?
अभी भी है वो घर?
हाँ है ना.
So who holds the who's
now
in
my
charge?
chacha has it.
Okay.
Chacha and his family.
You ever go back?
Yeah. Sometimes we go.
Have you taken your wife?
Yeah, she's also seen it. Yeah.
Because that's somewhat outdoors also,
Yeah.
no? I mean the whole thing.
There was a plan to actually make that house bigger and all that, but then my parents decided that they'll come to Bombay, so I've bought them a flat in Bombay. So like.
Would you rather live in a houseboat on a serene lake, or on a tree house in a dense forest? Hills.
Tree house any day. Tree house, forest.
So you're like the hills, you said.
Yeah.
So it's forest, not water.
Yeah.
Water is not your thing.
Yeah.
But you like the waves.
No, I love water,
Chennai
but
में
I can't
waves.
live over like beach में water के बीच में क्यों रहूँ मैं? Like I would rather be in the hills, like trees and all that. Say hi to monkeys and birds.
The same monkey has followed you. He also wants a job.
That monkey's son has come back to take revenge.
And he should do a mango commercial.
तेरा ही दादा था ना?
हाँ. नहीं, but वो mango commercial में भाग लेना. उसके बाद everything will be great.
Yeah.
Like karma coming full circle. And he's looking at your grandfather from there with the arm in his hand going ting ting ting. Wow. Excellent. All right, I think we've got enough answers out of you, sir. It's been very pleasurable for me.
Same here.
Just if you can remember Silvery and me, when you need actors who... See, you've got actors who deliver. What about actors who can't deliver? There must be some role where you need actors who can't deliver.
Actually, yeah, sometimes they're making films like that also.
Where failures, or, inability to talk to the camera, to get the point across.
Yeah.
I'm bad with lines. He's bad with coming on time.
ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो acting कर रहे हैं, तो why not?
That's true. That's true. The bar is quite low.
So you will do very well, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Superb. Okay. Just one last question.
Yes.
What is your house worth right now?
Huh?
If I had to...
Which one? The Goa one or the...
No, the Elita.
Oh, I think it's around 6-7 CR.
Wow. It's a lot of money.
Yeah, a lot of money.
You feel pressure when you leave the house to go and check it's still there? 6-7 crores is a lot of money, yaar.
Yeah. Pressure तो होता है.
Wow. Excellent. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Lot of pressure. आपने ना यार जाते
मूड खराब किया ना मूड को.
Suddenly मुझे pressure हो रहा है.
That's right. I don't want to buy a fancy bike ever. I'm thinking you buy a fancy bike, then every time you're looking out of the window to see bike है या नहीं.
Yeah.
You can't go ahead in life. So, fancy flat, you turn the car, check the flat's okay. Everybody,
कोई आया,
all that. Yeah. So think about it.
मेरे घर में तो चोरी भी हुई है एक बार.
What do you say?
Yeah.
But explain.
One of my boys actually, like, the guys you like, he did. He
Who worked for you?
Yeah, he used to work for me. He stole money.
Oh God.
But then I'm like my dad's son, so I caught him like within like half an hour. He was back and I got the money.
Wow. Look at us, we have no work. We're sitting here enjoying our houses. कितने घर हैं total?
अभी 2.
No.
3.
खड़गपुर 1.
हाँ. अच्छा खड़गपुर हाँ. ओ वैसे तो फिर खड़गपुर में 2. मॉम डैड का भी एक है ना.
मॉम डैड का फ्लैट 3. 4. Wow.
4.
Bro. 2 words come to mind. ED.
सडनली दोस्त है मेरा वहां पे, कोई टेंशन नहीं।
Right. Okay, that's it. That's all we have time for. The show is called Home Run with Housing. One and only Abhishek Banerjee.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
अब conveyance?
आप दोगे? मैं
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप लोग देता है या नहीं?
हाँ क्या?
हाँ, conveyance.
हाँ दे दो।